30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 5. Speak English alone every day. No speaking partner? No problem. Today, you'll learn how to practice English speaking completely by yourself and still become more fluent. Let's start. Part 1: The biggest excuse. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever said, "I can't practice speaking English because I don't have anyone to talk to"? Maybe you've thought that. Maybe you've even said it out loud. And honestly, many English learners believe this. They think, "I'll improve when I find a speaking partner. I'll improve when I join a class. I'll improve when I meet native speakers." But here's the truth. If you wait for the perfect opportunity, you may wait forever. The most successful English learners don't wait. They practice with whatever they have. And sometimes, the best speaking partner is actually yourself. Yes, you. Today, you're going to learn how to turn yourself into your own English speaking partner. And the best part? You can practice anytime, anywhere, for free. Part 2: Why speaking alone actually works. Some people think speaking alone is weird. But let's think about it. Professional athletes practice alone. Musicians practice alone. Actors rehearse alone. Singers practice alone. Why? Because improvement comes from practice, not from having an audience. When you speak English alone, you get more speaking time. You make more mistakes. You learn faster. And most importantly, you become more comfortable using English. Many learners spend years studying English, but only a few minutes actually speaking it. That's like learning to swim without entering the water. Speaking alone helps you get into the water every day. Part 3: The mirror technique. Let's start with one of the easiest methods. The mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. And start talking. At first, it might feel funny. That's okay. Everyone feels that way. Now say simple things like, "Hello. My name is Sarah. I'm learning English. Today I feel happy. I'm practicing my speaking." Notice something. You are speaking. That's already progress. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You only need to speak. The mirror helps because it feels like you're having a conversation. And it helps build confidence. Part 4: Use easy sentence patterns. Now let's make speaking easier. Many learners try to create complicated sentences. Then they become nervous. Instead, use simple sentence patterns. Pattern number 1. I am. Examples. I am tired. I am excited. I am hungry. I am practicing English. Easy. Pattern number 2. I like. Examples. I like coffee. I like music. I like traveling. I like learning English. Simple and useful. Pattern number 3. I want. Examples. I want some water. I want to improve. I want to speak fluently. I want to travel abroad. Look how many sentences you can create. Just 3 patterns can produce hundreds of ideas. Part 5: Become your own narrator. Now let me show you one of my favorite fluency exercises. Become your own narrator. Imagine you're the narrator of your life. Describe everything you're doing. For example, I'm opening the door. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my phone. I'm sitting in a chair. I'm watching a video. I'm learning English. This exercise is powerful because it trains your brain to think directly in English. No translation. No pressure. Just speaking. And you can do it anywhere. At home. At work. At school. Even while walking. Part 6. Ask and answer questions. Now let's make things more interesting. Ask yourself questions. Then answer them. For example, what did I eat today? I ate rice and chicken. What am I doing right now? I'm practicing English. What do I want to do this weekend? I want to relax and watch movies. See? Now you're creating conversations. By yourself. And that's fantastic speaking practice. Part 7. Don't fear mistakes. Let's talk about something important. Mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they're afraid of making mistakes. But think about this. When you're speaking alone, who is judging you? Nobody. Nobody is giving you a score. Nobody is laughing. Nobody is criticizing you. This is your safe practice zone. So make mistakes. Lots of them. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake shows you what to improve. And every sentence makes you stronger. Remember, fluent speakers didn't become fluent because they avoided mistakes. They became fluent because they practiced despite mistakes. Part 8. The 1-minute challenge. Here's a fun exercise. Set a timer for 1 minute. Choose any topic. Maybe your family, your hobbies, your favorite food, your job, your school. Then talk continuously for 1 minute. Don't stop. If you don't know a word, use another word. Keep talking. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is flow. After 1 minute, try 2 minutes. Then 3. Then 5. You'll be amazed by your progress. Part 9. The daily fluency habit. Now let's build a habit. You don't need 1 hour every day. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect conditions. Start with just 5 minutes. 5 minutes speaking alone every day. That's all. 5 minutes today. 5 minutes tomorrow. 5 minutes next week. Those small sessions add up. And over time, your confidence grows. Your vocabulary grows. Your fluency grows. And speaking English starts feeling natural. Part 10. Day 5 challenge. Here's your Day 5 challenge. Today, speak English alone for 5 minutes. Use these activities. Speak in front of a mirror. Narrate your actions. Ask yourself questions. Use simple sentence patterns. And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Remember this. You don't need a speaking partner to become fluent. You just need the courage to open your mouth and start speaking. 1 sentence. 1 minute. 1 day at a time. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And I'll see you in Day 6 of the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Like, subscribe, and comment. I speak English every day. See you tomorrow.